Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this awesome 68 Mustang combines the stunt-pulling power of Dearborn's best muscle cars with vintage Detroit style. And today, not only is it a reliable and exceptionally comfy place to spend a sightseeing summer, it's also an authentic piece of Americana that'll be welcomed at virtually any car show in any town. A slick 60s fastback that features an impressively straight body, this Mustang benefited from a detailed ground-up restoration that supplemented solid sheet metal with an aggressive Eleanor kit. However, instead of donning the traditional gray and black pigment of everyone's favorite movie Ford, this pony stretched vibrant red two-stage under slick silver stripes. And today, the car rolls as one head-turning thoroughbred that's right at home, reflecting a summertime cruise-in. Swing the doors and you'll find a fully restored cockpit that's been updated with a perfect amount of style and convenience. TMI-branded buckets boast big bolsters under a thick roll bar that's strung with 3-point shoulder belts. A factory-spec dash hangs upgraded audio over a Sunpro water gauge, a Sunpro Tach, and Cobra-themed foot pedals. Fresh carpet floats Mustang-themed floor mats around a fire extinguisher and an attractive B&M shifter. And the driver carves curves through a polished and wood-rimmed steering wheel. Hoist the lightweight hood and you'll find 390 cubic inches of rowdy Ford power. The C6 3-speed spins a 9-inch Ford axle that's packed with moderate 300 gears. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a purpose-built pony car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this legendary Ford is a great driving piece that's fun, historic, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.